We're cooking up a couple things. We're doing a pork carnitas taco. We're doing some Mexican street corn, and then we're doing like some vegetables done with tahini and lime. So very Mexican street food inspired by my childhood for sure. Whatever they want to take away from it, really. We're all different. We all learn differently. Some people, like I said, are motivated by lessons and all that stuff. Others are just motivated by experiences. So if we can tie those together, it's a sweet spot. I think I equate it to like reading. It's like the easiest way to travel is read a book and then you're immersed in a new world. Cooking and eating food is just a quicker way to that route. And that's why we designed this program, Global Eats, is to make sure the kids feel immersed in a culture. I think we have 12 countries right now in the program, so Mexico being the one that I focus on. But it's rad to see the kids like reach out to me and saying like, hey, I saw you last year, we're coming out this year, and it's incredible. Like seeing the reaction is a big thing for chefs. We are like stand-up comedians where we want to hear the applause and the laughter. Be it the mms and ahs of, yeah, this is delicious. So to me, it's really special. It means that we made an instant impact on them and they're enjoying it. I hope the impact is lifelong for them. It's a lifelong search for experiences, food, travel, all of that. That's why we designed this program in the first place. So hopefully it impacts the kids in a good way.